Today we continue the concept of relative motion. It is a sub-article, not it is individual topic. It is a sub-article. But in sub-article, related with one-dimensional motion as well as two-dimensional motion. One and two-dimensional motion, a related concept. And it is related with vectors also. Relative motion is a part of mechanics. But what is a relative motion? Relative motion, it is comparison. Resultant and relative, these are pair of terms. Resultant nothing but vector addition. Relative nothing but vector subtraction. A bar one vector and B bar another vector. Relative of A with respect to B, A bar minus B bar. So this is a relative of A with respect to relative A with respect to B. Same as relative of B with respect to A, that is write as B bar minus A bar. This is a relative motion. It is vector subtraction. Vector subtraction, it is a relative motion, nothing but vector subtraction. Dear students, it is important concept. This related one is boat motion and wind and aeroplane motion, rain and umbrella motion. These are the applications. So the relative motion applications, one is boat motion, wind and aeroplane motion, rain and umbrella motion. But in relative motion, the basic concept, just it is a subtraction. But in relative motion, one is relative displacement and second one, relative velocity and third one, relative acceleration. So relative displacement. What is relative displacement? Displacement is a vector. Comparison of displacement. Comparison of displacement. Suppose this is origin. It is nothing but it is a house, home. One person at home. So home considered as origin. Another person 2 kilometers from home. So the first person at home, second person at 2 kilometers from home. The relative displacement of second with respect to first is write as relative displacement of second with respect to first, write as x2 minus x1. Displacement of second minus displacement of first. So relative displacement of second with respect to first, same as relative displacement of first with respect to second. That is write as x1 minus x2. The x1 and x2 are in same direction. x1 and x2 having same direction. x1 and x2 same direction. x1, x2 same direction. x2 minus x1. If opposite direction, so opposite direction, the answer becomes opposite direction. Answer becomes x2 minus of minus x2 plus x1. Suppose relative displacement of first with respect to second x1 minus x2 in same direction this is. In opposite direction that value is. So opposite direction its value becomes opposite direction x1 plus x2. So this is relative displacement. Same as relative velocity. First person and second person, two persons are move in same direction. So this is first person and his velocity is v1. This is second person, his velocity v2 in same direction of motion. Then relative velocity of second person with respect to first, it is write as v2 minus v1. v2 minus v1. If both same direction, v2 minus v1. And opposite direction means one person, first person and second person either approaching. So approach in this condition. So it is write as relative velocity of second with respect to first v2 minus of minus v1, that is v2 plus v1. In opposite direction this is the value. In same direction v2 minus v1. Same as the relative velocity of first person with respect to second, its value becomes v1 minus v2. If opposite direction it is write as v1 plus v2. So this is relative velocity. Same as relative acceleration. So one person acceleration a1, another acceleration a2, then relative acceleration of second with respect to first a2 minus a1. In opposite direction approaches means this is a1, this is a2, approaches its value a2 plus a1. Same as the relative acceleration of first with respect to second, its value becomes a1 minus a2 in same direction, this is the value. Opposite direction a1 plus a2. In relative motion, one dimensional. So one dimensional example, this is Earth self-rotation. You know that Earth rotates from west to east it is. A train moving from west to east in equatorial region. West to east in equatorial region, the velocity of train is Vt. Velocity of Earth, that is Ve. So both in same direction. Velocity of Earth, velocity of train on equatorial region. This position, the velocity of Earth, that is Ve. So this velocity is Ve. Angular velocity is omega into r, that is velocity of Earth at equatorial region. And velocity of train is Vt. We want a relative velocity of train with respect to Earth. With respect to Earth, its value becomes Vt minus V Earth. This is the relative velocity of train with respect to Earth. If train and Earth revolve motion in same direction, this is the condition. Suppose Earth rotation always same from west to east, and train motion at equator, equatorial position, the motion of the train is equatorial position, the motion of the train is from east to west with a velocity of Vt. This is Vt and this is Vr. Directions are opposite. Then relative velocity of train with respect to earth, its value becomes Vt minus of minus Vr, Ve. So this value, earth velocity is Ve, then its value becomes Vt plus Ve. So this is relative velocity of train with respect to earth. In relative motion, river motion, a person is the motion of river from west to east. The velocity of the river is Vr. Speed of a swimmer, that is Vs. In same direction, river velocity and person, swimmer velocity in same direction, then relative velocity of swimmer with respect to river relative velocity of swimmer with respect to river. So it is Vs minus Vr. Vs minus Vr. Swimmer and river, same direction. This is. The swimmer direction is opposite to the river motion. River motion is Vr. The swimmer motion is opposite. The relative velocity of swimmer with respect to a river, its value becomes Vs minus of minus Vr, Vs plus Vr. Opposite direction, this is the relative velocity. In given problem, an object A moving with 5 meter per second and B moving with 20 meter per second. First case, same direction. So same direction, what is the velocity of B with respect to A? And opposite direction, velocity of B with respect to A. Same direction, what is the answer? Same direction, find the velocity of B. So this is A and this is B. So this is A and B are in same direction. Same direction, the velocity of A, this is 5 meter per second. Velocity of B, this is 20 meter per second. Velocity of B with respect to A, same direction, Vb minus Va. Velocity of B with respect to A, Vb minus Va, its value becomes 20 minus 5. Its value is 15 meter per second. Velocity of B with respect to A, 20 minus 5, that is 15 meter per second. Suppose in opposite direction, A moving, this is Va is 5 meter per second and B velocity is, this is 20 meter per second, opposite direction. Velocity of B with respect to A. So Vb is considered as positive. This is considered as positive. That means Vb minus of minus Va. So this side is positive. This is must be minus. So Vb minus of minus Va it is. So Vb write as 20 minus of minus 5. It's meter per second it is. Velocity of B with respect to A in opposite direction. Second problem, A and B, thrown vertically upward. One is A, thrown vertically upward. Another one is B, thrown vertically upward. But their initial velocities are given 5 meter per second and this is 10 meter per second respectively. Find the separation between them after 1 second. 1 second after, what is the separation? So 1 second after, two objects, they covered certain distance. What is the displacement of first body? First body displacement S is equals to ut plus half at square. So acceleration is equals to plus minus z, vertically upward direction, a equals to minus z. U value you know, that is 5 into 1 time plus half, a write as minus 10 into 1 square. Its value becomes 5 minus 5, S1 becomes 0. The body moving upward, after 1 second, it is again original position it is. The body comes original position. The displacement of first body is 0. And displacement of second body. What is the displacement of second body? S2 equals to ut plus of a t square. A indicates minus g into t square. T write as that is 1 square. Its value 10 plus, so this is minus 10 by 2, minus 5. Where S2 becomes, the displacement is 5 meter. Here, the separation between them after 1 second. We want the separation. Separation is nothing but relative displacement S1 and S2. So relative displacement. So this is displacement of first body with respect to second. Displacement of first body with respect to second. Its value S12, its value 0 minus 5, that is minus 5 it is. Relative displacement of second body with respect to first, S2 minus S1. Its value is 5 minus 0, this is 5. So relative displacement of first with respect to second it is. Relative displacement of second with respect to first it is. A thief is running away on a straight road. This is one-dimensional motion. Relative motion in one dimension. The thief in a jeep, his speed 9 meter per second. A policeman catches this thief, his speed is 10 meter per second. Both having same direction and initial separation is given. Initial separation is 100 meter. What time after the policeman catches this thief? The speed of policeman is more. To catch this thief, in this case using the relative motion, motion of, velocity of policeman with respect to thief, velocity of policeman with respect to thief, it is write as policeman, velocity of policeman minus velocity of thief, it is 10 minus 9, that is 1 meter per second. Again distance is 100, where time is equals to, so displacement upon relative velocity, V relative, policeman with respect to thief, it is write as 100 upon 1, this is 100 second. So answer is 100 meter per second. A problem is given, two cars are moving in same direction with same speed 30 km per hour and 30 km per hour. The separation between the two cars is 5 km. Another one, third car, crosses these two cars in 4 minutes. Third car crosses these two cars in 4 minutes. What is the speed of third car? We want the speed of third car. So here this third car motion is opposite to A and B. Opposite to the A and B. So here, what is the relative velocity of third car with respect to A? Its value becomes, this value becomes Vc minus Va. Minus of minus, opposite direction, Vc minus of minus. This is Vc plus 30 kilometer per hour. But the separation is 5 kilometer. So same, this is Vca. Same as Vcb. This is also same, Vc plus 30. Second car also same speed. So this is Vcb. That is equals to Vc plus 30. A separation distance is given. Time interval, crossing time, this value equals to 4 minutes. It is in hour 4/60 hour. 1/15 hour it is. The relative velocity we know, and time of interval we know, and separation distance we know. Then the relative velocity Vca or Vcb, that is equals to S upon T. S value becomes, this value is 5 kilometer per hour upon 1/15. This is 75 kilometer per hour. You know that Vca, this value is Vc plus Va. That value is 75, where Vc is equals to 75 minus 30. Its value becomes 45 kilometer per hour. This is Vc. Velocity of third car 45 kilometer per hour. Not only this is Vca, Vcb also same, distance upon time. The value is 45 kilometer per hour.